Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Ola here, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how you can literally boost your affiliate earnings with the free traffic source I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. And personally guys, this traffic source have generated me over $1,000 in the past month. Before I literally dive into the video, I would like to show you guys proof to tell you something I've tried out for myself and it's something that has worked for me. So you could see right here on my screen, this is the balance of $1,000 right here on my screen, and I was able to make this through affiliate marketing on Share a Sale. So right now I'm going to be reloading the screen right now to tell you this is not some screenshot or some whatever. So I'll be clicking on the reload button right now. You can see right here it's done reloading and the money is still intact. So right now I'm going to be sharing with you the traffic source I use in generating the money into my account. So the first thing you need to do right now is to pick a product you know you like to promote if you haven't done that. So you can literally go over to platform like shareasale.com, partnerstack.com, impact.com to get a high ticket affiliate product to promote. So literally I won't be walking you through how to pick a product on this platform, but I'll be leaving a link down in the description to a video that's going to walk you through how you can literally pick a good affiliate product to promote. But only go to check out the video once you're done watching the video, and also you can also check out the video on my channel, because today's video is mainly focused on how you can literally promote your affiliate link. Right now I'm going to be assuming you already picked an affiliate product and you're already getting your affiliate link. So all you need to do right now is to head over to this platform called voca.media. So you can literally create an account for yourself if you haven't done that by signing in with your Gmail account. So basically what we're going to be doing right here on this platform is we're going to be writing articles to promote our affiliate link. I know a lot of you guys may be thinking, oh, I don't know how to write an article. Don't worry, I got you covered, because in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you could literally write an article in less than 3 minutes using a super awesome tool on your phone. So once you're done creating an account on voca.media, the next thing is to do, head over to ChatGPT right now and ask ChatGPT to write you this article. And by the way, if you haven't created an account, you create a free account for yourself. It's totally free. So once you're on ChatGPT, you're going to be asking ChatGPT to write you a full article promoting the kind of product in your niche. So right here, you're going to be specific right here. So for example, if you are promoting like a software, or you're promoting like a weight loss product or a weight loss supplement or a fitness or any kind of product related to the fitness, so you're going to ask ChatGPT to write you an article promoting a fitness like product, or you can also tell ChatGPT to write you an article promoting like a make money online course or whatever. So you need to like literally put in the name of the course or the name of the program you are promoting. So for example, I'm currently promoting an email marketing software called GetResponse. So I'm going to be asking ChatGPT to write me an article promoting GetResponse. So ChatGPT is going to generate you a full article promoting GetResponse. Right now you're going to put in your affiliate links in between of the article ChatGPT has written for you. So once you already gotten the article, all you need right now is to put them in the notepad, then go through this article, check if there's no kind of error or grammatical error. Just go through them, then you could do some arrange. Then once you are done right now, all you need right now is to head over to voca.media and click on the story icon. So once you click on the story icon, then you're going to put in the title of your article, then you're going to put in your article here, then you're going to insert the image of your article. So the image must matches with the kind of product you are promoting. So if you are promoting a weight loss supplement, you could get some image like looks like a weight loss supplement or whatever. Just put in the image here, then you need to post in this article. And guys, one thing I love about this platform is also going to pay you per article you've written, and it's also going to be paying you once people read your article. To tell you right here, this is awesome. So basically you're going to be getting paid in two places. Number one is through your affiliate links, and number two is on this platform once people read your article. So don't just post one article and go to sleep and think you're going to start making a lot of sales as an affiliate marketer. It's not going to work that way. So you need to start posting multiple articles on this platform. So you could start posting like 10 articles per day. So you could ask ChatGPT to write you this article, then post them every single day. Just keep in mind, consistency is the key. So once you're consistent a lot, you're going to start seeing results on this platform. So the second platform where you could literally promote your affiliate links is Medium. You can see right here, you could go over to medium.com, create an account for yourself. So Medium is also similar to the kind of platform I showed you guys earlier. So you can also do the same on medium.com, write an article promoting your affiliate links and be consistent. So literally Medium is also going to pay you to write articles. So once someone also read your article on medium.com, also going to be getting paid per each article you have written on their platform. So the third website where you can literally promote your affiliate links is WhatsApp. And I know you guys may not be expecting this, but yeah, WhatsApp is a very good place to promote your affiliate links, because there are a lot of people people on WhatsApp right here, and most of the people on your WhatsApp are your friends. So this is gonna give you easy chance and easy opportunity to be able to sell to them, because literally your friends literally trust you, and once you pitch an offer to them or an affiliate product to them, they are able to buy from you because they literally trust you. So you could literally find the kind of product you know your audience, your friends may be interested in. So for example, you could literally start promoting a product about like bag, shoes, clothes, because people cannot do without all these things. So you could start promoting this product on your WhatsApp status. So once people are seeing you do this, they're gonna buy from you because they literally trust you. And once people clicks on your affiliate links and make a purchase through your affiliate links, you're gonna get paid. And also, one thing you can also do right now to improve your sales on WhatsApp is by posting entertainment content on your WhatsApp status. What I mean by that is, don't just be posting your affiliate product on your WhatsApp status consistently, because if you are doing that, people are gonna get bored of seeing the same product over and over again. So by posting entertainment content on your WhatsApp status, you're not only going to be entertaining the people, also going to be pitching your affiliate offers alongside entertaining them. You can literally turn your WhatsApp status to a kind of place when people clicks on your status and view your status, they won't be able to click away because you already enticed them to your content. So I hope you guys are getting the point. If you're getting any value from the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like the video, and don't forget to go join our WhatsApp community group down in the description. I'll be leaving the link down in the description, so you can also check out other resources that may be helpful for you in the description. So you can literally click on the video right now, popping right here on your screen, to go learn more ways about affiliate marketing.